Hey everyone, in this video, we learn how to extract random elements from an array in JavaScript. We'll ensure that each element is unique using a popular method called the Fisher-Yates shuffle. This comes in handy for sampling, random draws, and game logic. Let's check how to do this step by step. This function selects unique random elements by first shuffling the entire array. Then we slice off the number of elements we want. If any is not provided, we simply return one random item. Let's walk through the code implementation. We begin by making a shallow copy of the array using the spread operator. Then we shuffle the array in place with the Fisher-Yates algorithm. Finally, we return the first n elements from the shuffled result. This keeps things fast and ensures uniqueness. This technique is highly efficient and prevents duplicate selections. We're not just picking random indices, we're actually shuffling the whole array. That way, the first n values are guaranteed to be unique. Even if you request more than the array size, it just returns all items. As you can see in this table, the output is randomized but always unique, even when the requested count is more than the available items. It just returns the full shuffled array. This makes the function safe and flexible to use in many situations. Now let's talk about where you might use this in the real world. This kind of sampling is used everywhere: games, surveys, and even analytic tools. For example, random quiz apps use this to show different questions each time. Or imagine a card game shuffling the deck with zero duplicates. These small features improve both fairness and user experience. Let's recap what we've learned. We've used the Fisher-Yates method to shuffle and slice to extract unique random elements. This approach is concise, flexible, and reliable for random sampling. Thanks for joining. Give it a try in your next JavaScript project. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.